guys, I am setting up behind the scenes action before we actually start. Let me put you guys down some more. Make my camera look like it lean. Right. Okay. Sugar daddy, nearly dropped my phone. Right. Gonna woo. Oh, why this a book? I'm gonna pin up this out of my face. Alright, so this is the look for today. This is my collab with my girl Meeka. Oh, Lord, I have to start this over. Alright guys, this is the makeup look for today. It's my collab. Continuing this month's beauty vlogger takeover, where I'm taking beauty vloggers, whether you're Jamaican or not, as long as you know you're not as popular. And please don't be offended when I say not as popular. What I mean is, like, you're not, as far as you're concerned, you're not yet there where the YouTuber game is. I want to be a part of that growth. So for this month, I'll be introducing new talent here on my channel every other day. And today we're featuring Meeka. Meeka is actually a student of mine. She's extremely talented. I love her work. She's also a makeup artist. I think she still owns her own company as well. So please check her out in the description bar below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Meeka, good. Thanks for the collaboration. Good day. But I'm gonna sign off here by yourself. Finally a voiceover, you guys, and let me just tell you right now, Jonathan is very active, alright? Just say no. But I wanted to do another voiceover, a voiceover, because I haven't done a voiceover in a while. Let me just stop. So I'm drawing on my eyebrows with my Air Woman pencil, and I have some shocking revelation about Air Woman. I don't like it anymore. The Air Woman pencils that I've been getting for the past couple of days, they have not been good at all. They're way too soft. As I put them on my skin, they melt off, and that don't cute. Now to clean up my brows, or to further shape my brows, I'm using my Black Opal Flawless Concealer in Toast, boo. So as I was saying, I have not done a voiceover in eons, and I love doing voiceovers, but you know, so look how I cut off piece of my eyebrow and to my floor dry time back, you know. I told you I was going to have to extend it back. So you guys know I normally use the black eyeliner pencil where my eyebrow ends. So that's what I'm doing now. Yes, that's what I'm doing now. And I kind of like the ombre look, and that's the brows I'm going in with. So now I'm using my Shades by goo.gl Medium Neutral Concealer, and I am going right under my arch, where my arch is. Also, I'm going right at the tail of my brows, and I've been liking this new technique to be constantly, to be completely honest with you. So for my foundation, I'm going to be taking L'Oreal True Matching N9. I'm not a fan of this foundation at all, but you know, I was just doing it for you. But ooh, there's a lot that came out there. That was a lot. So I'm going to be using this for my foundation. Okay, I'm trying to figure out why I don't like this. Why don't I? Is it because it's too red? Why I don't like this? If you guys hear a whirling sound, that's my fan. It's on because these lights and this hair is not very cool, so I have to have the fan on. Shut up and dance with me. I don't know where that song come from. Okay, the coverage is good. Alright, so to do my highlight, I'm going to be taking LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. Ooh, my skin looks good. Guys, I did a Snapchat skincare thing. I don't know when this video is going to go up, like probably a couple weeks ago or so. So if you're not following me on Snapchat, you really should, because I do impromptu stuff like that over there. I do like foundation routines over there. I do makeup tutorials, mini hair reviews, all that junk over there. So I'm just blending out right now, and these are the areas I would normally highlight. I'm taking my Shades by goo.gl contour palette, and I'm using that for color to low light everywhere else, right? So you know, highlighting pushes features forward, low lighting pulls features back, and I'm basically contouring my face with this technique of highlighting and low lighting. So there in my hand, that's my, what name again? Cappuccino oil absorbing powder. from Black Opal, and that's what I used to do my highlights, and I think it's absolutely sexy on me. I love it, love it, love it. Then this is Classic Espresso from Black Opal again, and it is it's what I'm using to go all over my face. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Your True Shade Mineral Loose Powder Foundation, and I'm going to be using it as catch powder, and this is in the color 106. So I'm gonna get my loose powder sponge. Is it, well, I'm not quite sure why I didn't like this foundation. I'm not remembering. I know it wears really, really well with Milk of Magnesia as a primer, but I can't use Milk of Magnesia anymore, and since I had Jonathan, it breaks me out. Like, I think I've gotten allergic to it. So I'm laying down most of the powder under my eyes heavily because I'm using it as catch powder, and I put it here and here just to set those, just to let those ears bake a little bit, because I want those ears to come out some more. Alright, so let's, where's my thing? Let's start with my eyes, as obviously as I can possibly be, and I'm gonna do it with my LA Colors I Love Makeup palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here, and that's going to be going in my crease. Ooh, I did not set my brow bone. Oh my gosh. Okay, so where's my, alright, so I'm going to be taking this color and setting my brow bone, and as you can tell, I'm just patting it on. I'm not swiping. I'm patting it on, and I really like how that brow bone color looks. Back in with the same color that I used before. He is jealous for me. Love's like a hurricane. I am the tree bending beneath the wind of his grace and mercy. This color going right on the high point of my brow bone, and then blending that down, like feathering it down. I realize just how beautiful you are now. So I'm going in with my LA Pro Primer in black, and this Pro Primer is from LA Girl. I got it at Fontoine Pharmacy. So this palette is all matte. So I'm gonna do a little switcheroo, and I'm going to go to my LA Colors palette out of makeup, this one. And I have to still keep my eyes up because it's wet, and I'm going to be taking, wow, let's see if I can do this color here, putting it there. Alright, then this color here, and putting it everywhere else. Not bad at all. Alright, so this color, this palette I also got from Fontana Pharmacy. I did not say that before, but I got it from Fontana Pharmacy. And we're taking that brown to just further deepen the crease without going into black just yet. When you add different layers of browns before you add the black, it gives a very nice warm look. It warms up the crease a little bit more rather than just adding black onto the crease. So now I believe I'm going with the black. Yep, I'm going with the black now, and it's not the blackest black in the world. You know, it's not a Corbin black or nothing. You know, but it is definitely black enough, especially working with the colors from this palette. Especially working with the colors from this palette, it is black enough. And notice I am tapping it into my crease instead of swiping it how I would normally do, because I don't want the black to necessarily mix with the other colors. So to prevent it from mixing with the other colors, all I'm doing is just patting it into the crease. Now I'm taking this warmer brown from the palette, and I'm going right at the edge of the black to blend it out. Look at the beauty. I mean, this is blending at its epicest. The amount of things I do. I add brown, cover it with black, add more brown. So I love it, and I love. Okay. Jonathan, mommy editing, sweetie. Alright. You can't put that on that no, baby. And I deliberately slowed down everything on this for this eye look, because I wanted you guys to see everything in real time, how I'm blending, how I'm working with different colors. Now notice that when I added this color, it kind of opened up that color, that area of my eyes a little bit, which was not my intention. I honestly thought it would have been warmer, but I saw it and I was like, oh, okay. So now I'm adding my anchor pencil on my waterline as well as my lash line. Remember, your lash line, that's where your lashes grow from, and your waterline is behind that. That's the part closest to your eyeball. So I'm adding color there because it gives a more smoky look when I add it to your waterline as well as your lash line. I mean, if I had long lashes, oh my god, this look would be so sexy. But I don't have long lashes. So now I'm just brushing my True Shade Mineral Foundation in 106 away, and I really like the color that this leaves back. It's not as, you know, white. I love my banana powder, don't get me wrong, but I like the color, you know, like the after color that this leaves back. Is it that? I don't know. It probably may just be me, but I like the color it leaves back. So I'm taking this warm color, the warmest color that I have in there, like a reddish brown, and I'm putting it underneath my lash line. Yeah, I'm putting it right underneath everything. The eyeliner I place on my lash line, it's going underneath that. So that's where I'm putting it. So going in back in with the palette, and I'm taking a fluffier brush, and I'll be placing that warm brown again right on the outside, forming a little half moon to kind of merge the eyeshadows on the outside, so it's a little bit smokier, a little bit warmer on that side. See that? So that's what I'm doing, you know, just to add a little pizzazz. Jonathan.
God bless. Praising God. I am wide we're praising God. I'm so what I need to God. Praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky where God is all I need. God. Tell them so we gonna lead.
Oh, I love it so much. I love this. On my lips I'm wearing Lip is by Shanna Boss Chick. And the lashes I'm wearing are my Fashionista lashes from my line. Now the thing is, I actually washed these lashes. So because I washed them, okay. So because I washed them, they're looking quite spiky and awkward. But yeah, but this is the look, you guys. What do you think? I love it. I'm loving my hair as well, mama. I love it so much.
Tell them Lord is all on it. We don't need them, be gone away. Lord will put it away. I didn't pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live.